Respected dear family members, my pranams to you. Yesterday's Hindu newspaper carried one front page news about the attack on a church in South Delhi. The Archbishop of South Delhi has severely criticized the central ministry for not protecting the minorities in India. And he declared that, and he also declares that it is a reflection of the hate campaign and false propaganda by groups whose sole aim is to break the religious harmony and social peace of this great nation. When these Christians and bishops started thinking that this is a great nation, if the religious harmony of India is existing, it is not at all because of the minorities of India. It is exclusively because of the tolerance of the Hindus. Through all the cheating and crooked and treachery method adopted by the Christians, when the poor Hindus got converted into Christianity, this conversion took place by blaming the Hindus that they are sinners, and the Hindus are injected to think that they are sinners. The Hindus are forced to think that they are sinners, and they are forced to believe by these archbishop and circle bishops and square bishops that Jesus died for these sinners. And this church got vandalized, according to Hindu newspaper, in the night when the security person was not there. So the church had security in the daytime, and in the night time the church's security is looked after by the great Jehovah and Jesus Christ. And Jesus Christ could die himself for the sin of the people on a wholesale basis. Not only for the Christians but also for 730 crore people of India. Jesus died in the cross. So the capacity of Jesus, even though he was unable to protect himself, even though Jehovah could not protect his own son from the cross, at least Jesus could have saved this particular church from vandalization of the rocks and burglars. If that Jesus could not protect his own church, then how can he die or protect the poor Hindus who got converted into the Christian fold? And you know that Jehovah could create a baby in the womb of Virgin Mary even when Joseph was alive. So Jehovah could create a pregnancy in a virgin. That much capacity was there for Jehovah, and that Jehovah could not protect the South Delhi church means, then why should the Hindus go to the Christian fold or convert to Christianity and pray for this Jesus or Jehovah? Minimum protection of a church in the night when knowingly the security was off, he was out. And this happened, and the bishop shouts that it is because of the hate speech. Who did the hate speech? You go to each and every corner of India, particularly the rural area and the forest area, the hate speech done by the temporary and permanent missionaries of Christianity against Hinduism. Against Hinduism. Every Christian missionary, every Christian father and nun and bishop, externally they have got the cover of a god, and internally they are foxes as per the Bible itself. And this type of severely blaming and severe criticism against Hindu Dharma is utilized for converting the poor Hindus into Christian fold. Internally they are doing that, and externally they lead the all religious procession, religious harmony procession. They bless the people, they participate with all social events to show that they are the embodiment and symbol of the religious harmony. At the same time, each and every Christian in India in the underground blame and criticize and do all type of false propaganda against Hindu Dharma in spite of the fact that Hindus are keeping quiet. Every day thousands and thousands of poor Hindus are getting converted into Christian fold through these critical and defaming speeches of the Christian missionaries. And externally they are so good, so nice, so religious, tolerant, and so beautifully they are doing. Remember that when there was an earthquake in Gujarat, many Christians world over who were born and brought up in India, Indian Christians world over went there and said it is exclusively because of Narendra Modi's attitude towards the Christians and other minorities. Such an earthquake took place in Gujarat. And when the then President of America was thinking of giving $10 million to Gujarat government during that earthquake, the All India Catholic Bishops Conference Secretary Dr. Matthew prevented that money from coming to Gujarat by saying and informing the White House that money sent for the earthquake victims will go for the growth of BJP, so it should not be given to Gujarat government. Thus, that donation got prevented. And when the majority people are suffering, the so-called minorities do not have any pain. They are always blaming the so-called majority in preventing the religious harm, in preventing their conversion and spoiling the religious harmony. Now what this Koto expect? Very nicely, the Human Rights Commission member Dr. Syriac Joseph has mentioned that it is for the police to take action against the people who created problem in the church. Our role comes, the government roles or minority commission role comes into play only if police men are unable to do the needful, and these archbishop or circle bishop or square bishop or rectangle bishop think that and expect that Indian Home Minister Mr. Rajnath Singh or Prime Minister Mr. Modi should come with all Lati or Danda and give protection to this particular church throughout the night when the security is sleeping nicely in his home. In daytime, these ministers can't go to their PMO's office and do the work for the public. And those days of minority crying, screaming and shouting minority, I think they should go. The so-called minorities have not come from Saudi Arabia, they have not come from Israel, or the so-called leftists did not come from Russia or China. They are all the people born and brought up in India. Remember that as Swami Chinmayananda said, in India we have got only two category people, those who are Hindus and those who were Hindus. Why the Indians, the Hindus should be given a special protection as minority who do day and night cheating for converting the poor Hindus by spreading the Bible which already got rejected by the developed countries. And such an ordinary book meant for the primitive people of Israel desert. That primitive book is utilized for converting the poor Hindus in India. And for doing such a daylight crime of converting Hindus, the minister should come and stay around the church for protecting the church. How can one expect that this statement has got a logical or rational way of thinking? And one thing the Christians know pretty well, they know how to utilize each and every minute incident against the majority community, now particularly against the BJP. And they wanted to create such an impression around the world that India government is always against minority. Many a times they used to be successful also. But remember that a cat will not drink milk all the 24 hours. People will not believe what these clock-wearing angels, male angels and female angels are telling about Jesus and Jehovah, who are not in a position to protect their own lambs and gods. Let the Koto and others, let Mr. Koto and others pray to Jehovah and Jesus Christ, at least to protect this arching bishop. And if they are not willing to protect their own gods, sheep, and you think that that shepherd is not good enough, then come back to Hindu Dharma. That is the simple method. It is just like getting an identity card. You need not perform video-based Havan or anything. Just come to Hindu Dharma because you were Hindus. Then you will get full protection. Don't worry about it. Thank you very much. My pranams to you.